Hi, Udit Yosh from DIYPhotography.net. We're here still walking the IBC floor at 2022. I'm here with Alex from Sachtler, and we're going to talk about speed.
DIY Photography's coverage of IBC 2022 is sponsored by Sennheiser, the future of audio, Sachtler, producer of professional tripods, and B&H, the professional source.
So I know that Sachtler is all about speed, so if I'm doing, let's say, a commercial shoot or an interview, how can Sachtler help me with my workflow?
Yeah, for years, or the main mission for Sachtler is really speed. So we introduced the Sachtler FlowTech a couple of years ago, where this mission just went to all through. So it's really quick to deploy your tripod compared to other tripods in the past. So after the FlowTech, we thought about how we can save even more time, and we reinvented our tripod heads. So now we don't have to unscrew your head anymore. You just take it, mount it onto your tripod. So this comes with a bunch of benefits. Not only you can move from one system to the other, but you can also level it within seconds. So you just hold the lever and it's level. So no one likes the tight down anymore.
No one likes the
Everyone hates
always.
it. So
Very uncomfortable.
So it's really a matter of seconds. Another benefit, you can now go completely flat on the ground with the FlowTech because there's nothing.
Interesting. Another thing that I'm seeing is that you control your entire setup from like those 10 centimeters right here on the top.
Yeah, you don't have to bend down anymore. If you want to go lower with your system, you just do it here. If you want to re-level it, you can just do it up here. Change your drag settings, or you just take the whole system and move to a slider or whatever you want. So it's really, helping whoever is standing behind the camera can just concentrate on the job and don't has to waste time or let the client wait until he's resetting their setup.
And I couldn't miss the fact that you moved this from the slider to the tripod. So, like, how does the system work? Like, what kind of accessories do you have?
So the whole Active series comes with a bunch of accessories. First of all, we have the bow clamp, which you can put under your tripod. It don't need to be a FlowTech. It can be a different tripod as well. We have this B-swap accessory, which you can just mount with a 3/3 on the slider, jib arm.
So the first piece is part of the head now, right? So in order to get this quick livability operation, you need to have this pin thing on your tripod.
The tight out. You can buy a second one if you want to have two tripods, so you can move from one tripod to the other if needed. The speed swap accessory here, you can mount it on the slider, jib arm, crane, whatever you like. And then we have another accessory which is right behind you. If you want to mount a slider onto a tripod. So it follows the same format. It's literally a tripod head, but just cut down. So you have the bowl. It has the same bow clamp underneath, so you mount it the same way. But instead of having the whole head, we just have the base plate on top, so you can mount a slider and stuff like that. So you don't need a second head anymore to mount your slider on. So a lot of people are just having like two ACE systems.
So I'm wondering, can you level the smaller head?
Yeah, so the speed level accessory you can level the same way as you do with the active head. The speed level lever is just on the side, so you just pull it, and then it's free. Then you level it with a little prism bubble, and you're ready to go. Just walk safe. So that's it.
Is my understanding correct that if you have the legs fully spread out and you're using the slider hand, so the slider can be extremely low, very close to the ground?
Yeah, so you can, with the FlowTech, you can go to the ground, and mount your slider directly onto the speed level accessory, and you're ready to go. Yeah.
And then, do I use the same ball head for this, or are different accessories that I can use in order to build the system?
So the mechanism is always the same with a little pin here. So you either use this speed level accessory, which you can mount on a jib arm, slider, you name it, or you can also buy another one of the bow clamp if you want to use two tripods, and then you can move the whole system from one to another. So.
And I saw another one, so what's the difference between the big one and the small one?
So that looks similar. It's just for a 75 mil bowl, and the other one is for a 100 mil bowl. So we offer both the heads in both sizes.
So one thing I have to ask, I know it's not a Sachtler, but I'm seeing this battery pack here.
Yeah.
So can you tell us a little bit about that?
So this is the Titan base from Anton Bauer, and just adds 65 watts of power just for your pocket camera, so which extends the battery life or your day shooting just tremendously, and you don't have to change batteries anymore. So it's just you can concentrate on the stuff you shoot and don't have to worry about the gear or how to set it up or if you miss something to bring. So yeah, all is there for you.
So I have to be honest, we're using the Sachtler and Active 6 head here as well.
Yeah, always good to see a happy customer.
And actually you can win a set like this. So we're giving away over $12,000 of gear. And make sure you subscribe to that contest. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. We're gonna keep bringing you some more news and interesting gear from IBC 2022, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.